Hello, in front of me I have a Vivax Lifefit Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the HardReset Pro application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that required permissions are allowed for the application so the notifications can be sent to our watch. So, to do it, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on the Bluetooth option. Here, find the Vivax Hero on the list and tap on the eye icon next to it, info icon. And make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. If it's disabled, enable it, and it needs to be green. Once it's enabled, go back to the settings, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you should have the list of applications right here. Find the HardReset Pro on the list, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled and also tap on notifications and make sure that the allow notification option is enabled also. Once you're done, you can close the settings and open the HardReset Pro application on your phone. Now, in the application, you should see the home screen, this screen right here. So tap on the profile icon in the top left corner, and here find the option called message push, tap on it, and here we can enable or disable the notifications for different applications like calls, SMS, WeChat, Facebook, WhatsApp, stuff like that. So basically you can customize your notification settings. Enable and disable the notifications for different apps, for the apps you like rather, and once you're done, you can go back. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. You can check them by waking up the screen on your watch and swiping, not down, swiping up on the screen. And you will be able to check the notifications. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.